Alice, I am thinking about our video right now. I have been thinking about it all morning.
Wow, David, you are being very hardworking today. That is fantastic.
Thank you, Alice. I try my best. But wait, did you notice what we just did? We used 3 words that confuse every English liner in the world. Be, been, and being.
Oh, yes. Those 3 words look so similar, but they are used in completely different ways. They can be a little scary for students.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am David.
And I am Alice. We are so happy to welcome you to another relaxed English lesson. Today, we are going to make be, been, and being super easy for you.
This is perfect slow English listening practice. Whether you are cooking, driving, or just relaxing at home, we are here to help you. Before we start, please hit that subscribe button right now so you can practice with us every week. On-screen graphic, subscribe animation.
Yes, join our amazing family. Now sit back, relax, and let's make grammar fun. Let's start with the most basic one, David. The word is be. On-screen text, be. Let's repeat it slowly together. Be.
Be.
Now, why do we use be and its simple form? We use be after modal verbs like will, can, should, or must. We also use it after to. It talks about the future, possibilities, or rules. That's right. For example, I can say, I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. Or if you look at the dark clouds in the sky, you can say, it will be rainy today. It will be rainy today. Let's practice another simple rule with be. We use it when we give a command or a friendly rule, like be quiet or be happy. Oh, I love that one. Be happy. It is so simple but so important. Okay, David, now let's talk about the second word. It is been. On-screen text, been. Let's pronounce it clearly. Been. Been. Alice, how do you explain been to a beginner? Well, been is the past participle of the verb to be. We almost always use it after the words have or has. It talks about life experiences or things that started in the past and are still true now.
Ah, like travel. I love to travel. I can say, I have been to London. I have been to London.
Exactly. It means in your life you visited London in the past. What about you, listeners? Have you been to London?
Let's look at another example. Imagine you started living in New York 5 years ago and you still live there today. You can say, I have been in New York for 5 years. I have been in New York.
Perfect. So remember, when you see have or has, you should usually use been. Have been.
Now, let's look at the third word. This one ends with ing. It is being. On-screen text, being. Let's say it slowly. Being.
Being. This word is all about actions happening right now, or passive sentences. But today, let's focus on the most fun way to use it, talking about behavior.
Oh, yes, behavior. How someone is acting right now. For example, Alice, usually you are very nice to me, but if you take my favorite chocolate today, I will say, Alice, you are being mean.
I am sorry, David, but look at that sentence. You are being mean. This means you are acting mean just right now, in this moment. It is not your permanent personality.
Exactly. If I say Alice is mean, it means she is always a mean person. But if I say Alice is being mean, it means she is just acting mean today.
Let's give another example for our listeners. Imagine a little boy who is usually very quiet, but today he is jumping on the sofa and shouting loudly. What do we say, David?
We say, the boy is being noisy today. He is being noisy. It means just for today, his behavior is noisy.
Let's look at them side by side because this is where students make mistakes.
Yes, let's look at 2 sentences. Sentence A, he is being silly. Sentence B, he has been silly.
Sentence A, he is being silly, means he is acting like a joker right now.
And sentence B, he has been silly, means he was silly in the past or he has had a silly attitude for a longer time recently.
Wow, that makes it so much clearer. Let's repeat them slowly for practice. Slowly. He is being silly.
Slowly. He has been silly. Now it is your turn to speak English with us. Don't just look at the screen. Open your mouth and choose the right word. Be, been, or being.
I will give you 3 simple sentences with a blank space. When you hear the clock tick, shout the correct word out loud.
Sentence number 1.
I want to blank your friend. Hint, look at the word to before the blank.
The answer is B. I want to be your friend.
Great job.
Sentence number 2.
She has blank to Paris twice. Hint, look at the word has before the blank.
The answer is been. She has been to Paris twice. Wonderful. Sentence number 3.
Why are you blank so quiet today? Hint, we are talking about behavior right now.
The answer is being. Why are you being so quiet today? You did an amazing job. Let's do a fast review of the 3 golden rules we learned today. Repeat them after me.
Rule number 1. Use slowly, be after to or modal verbs. It will be fun.
Rule number 2. Use slowly, been after have or has. I have been busy.
Rule number 3. Use slowly, being for temporary behavior right now. You are being very helpful.
Grammar does not have to be scary when you practice it with daily conversations. You did fantastic today.
We want to hear from you. Please go to the comments section right now and tell us, have you ever been to another country? Where have you been?
Write your answer using the word been in simple English. Alice and I will read your comments and reply.
In our next video, we will practice vocabulary for talking about your favorite hobbies and free time activities.
Don't miss it. See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.